to dollar store. Probably you're getting a.
I'm taking a through there. Two I'ma go to there. Hydra, 2 players. Got body like spin on a trail. Go trim. Cut it, get it on film.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to film the intro right now because if I forget, I'm gonna start the video without it. Welcome back. I'm Treasure, and today we are going to be doing a day in the life as a braider. So let me show you guys my outfit real quick. I just have this bag on. Okay, wait, let me put y'all down. I have this bag. It's so cute. My dad got it for me recently. And then this shirt, I showed you guys in the haul. The bag, the shirt. Cute. And I got my hair in a little scarf moment. I'm gonna buy some stuff because I have a client today. I'm going to be doing a wig install. I'm doing, I believe, a side part with some edges, but it's like a short wig, like a brown wig, I think that's what she said. So I'm going to first up go pick up the curler from my friend's house. Then I also need to get to Shoppers Drug Mart. Then I need to go to the beauty supply. So there's a lot.
Baby, I think it might be too late, but too far gone.
Let me see.
I saw through my dream, I kid you not.
Which one?
This butterfly one there. That's the one I want.
Okay, go ask them like how much it is.
$8.99.
Where?
Let me go get my money.
Okay, get your money and then come back.
Tell me you're ready. Tell me you're ready to walk away. Overnight, we're done overnight.
Right now, I'm trying to like find a gift for my friend, and it's almost impossible. The music is so loud. I don't know if you guys can hear me. So next, we are going to Bulk Barn. And look at my pretty sister. Bro, you're getting in a shot. Yes. Turn your back and say hi to the camera. And stop being shy. Oh, that's so cute. This is supposed to be like a Braider diary. And this, get a card. I just wanna remind I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so high. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in close. So what are you getting? Baking stuff? Is this not the baking stuff?
You look like psych.
Cassava chips. Plantain chips. It's just here in a bulk. See. Plantain chips.
What was that sound?
So she's trying to get this for her friend. Pie box, like she wants to bake cookies. No, just get one. $2 is enough. Let's spend $2 here and then get the mini marshmallows for like the cookies.
Just say you want marshmallows.
Yes, we are going to dollar store. Bro, film me. Okay, film me. Let's go. Guys,
You're not the main character.
keep walking. I want to film.
Benjamin took control of the thing now.
I don't think we're allowed to film in dollar store though.
You make it hard to talk about you. Like what I see, so I'm working my move. You give me butterflies. You the one for the mother guys. At the start, I told a couple lies.
Hey guys, it's editor me speaking. So today my client wanted a wig install, and I'm going to be taking you guys through the whole process step by step, while also dropping some tips on the way. And listen, if you have any tips for me to improve my skills, don't be shy. Please drop them in the comments, okay? Because we are all learning together over here. Now, real quick before we get into it, I actually want to start posting way more braiding content on YouTube because let's be honest, filming a day in my life every single day, it's hard, okay? But hair content, I always have clips for that, like loads of clips. So if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you let me know in the comments so I keep posting more of these. All right. Alright, so first tip, especially as a teen braider, and yes, emphasis on teen, you need to build systems that actually work for you, because you can watch a million braiding videos, hear all the tips, people talking about ads, strict policies and all that, but at the end of the day, you only figure out what works for you by trying things yourself. Like me personally, I'm very much a braids girl. Like that's very much my comfort zone, but when it comes to sew-ins, wigs, ponytails, whoa. Okay, especially ponytails, that is way outside of my comfort zone, but I still do it because that's how you grow and sharpen your skills. And let me tell you, trying different styles actually helped me to attract way more clients. And no, it wasn't paying for ads, it was literally making flyers, putting them up around Scarborough, handing my business cards at beauty supply stores, posting them in community group chats, and just being consistent on my hair's Instagram. And yes, go follow me if you haven't already, okay? But ever since I started posting consistently, the views went up, okay? They went very, very much up. Now let's talk about the system as a teen braider, because time management is everything. I already know that I have school from 9 to 3:30 every single day. Then I've got track practices on Monday, Wednesday, and those usually end around 4:30. So I know that I treat those days as my off days. That's when I get to catch up on work, edit content, or just resets. So my actual booking days are Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. And Sundays, I try not to book on those days, but if I have to, I'll just attend church online. With this kind of service providing business, communication is key. My clients know my availability because that's why I have a booking site, and it honestly has changed everything for me. I literally love my booking site. It's so cute, it's so easy to use, and it's the best part because it's free. If you guys want a separate video on how to set up your own booking site, like my Braiding accounts, let me know, because I have a lot to say about that. Like, it took me a while to figure out. I was trying different booking sites. They were not working. They were always having the lowest amount of freedom and still having to pay for practical things that you should have for free. And then that's when I found Really. But yeah, honestly can't keep talking forever, so now I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video with some music, and I'll catch you in the next one.